Hi guys, and welcome to the Vanda Chef channel. My name is Funzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, we were making these pancakes. Now listen, they were not supposed to look like this. They were supposed to be the Japanese style pancakes, but mistakes were made, and I was following a YouTuber's recipe, and I'm pretty sure I just over mixed or something, and then they're still fluffy to the touch, but they came out as like normal pancakes. And when I tell you, like when I was doing everything and then I was like done, I was like, okay, let me put in the mix. I saw it was a little bit runny and I was like, I don't think this is how it's supposed to be. Things went wrong, and let me just show you what I did. Then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna explain and taste this, because I've already made them, right? Might as well taste them, even though they didn't go the way that I wanted to go. And I did not want to repeat this because like it's gonna waste a lot of material, but maybe I'll try it again after some time, and then maybe we'll see if you know what I'll do is I'll check for other recipes and other things and then research what I did wrong. But I think I might have an inkling as to what I did wrong, which I will explain after you've watched the full video. But in any case, even if I didn't make those Japanese style pancakes, I mean, I still made lemon pancakes, and you can still follow the recipe, and I'll leave the YouTuber who I follow's link down below if you actually want to go make that actual Japanese style pancake. But yeah, it was a miss for me. It was a fail. Yeah. Okay, then let's get into the video and I'll come back after that. everything was going well until I needed to fold in the beaten egg whites into the rest of the mix, and I think I just overdid it. I think I over mixed the whole thing, and then it lost all of that air because I just over mixed it. And also probably one of the mistakes I did, so if you can see on this, if you can see on here, right, there is like a lemon curd on top of the pancakes. So the eggs that I used, like the egg whites that I used, there were 2 egg whites that I used that were left over from when I was making the lemon curd. Now I did this like maybe 2 days ago, and in that situation I left the egg whites in the fridge. So I think they spent about a day in the fridge, and I think I should have maybe taken them out, let them come to room temperature, and then started whipping them. I think I did over mixing cold egg whites, and I think that was mostly it. But I think they're still fluffy, so we're just gonna try them and see see how this recipe is, you know, if you mess up. But they're still so fluffy. It's just that I over mixed and I lost all of that all of that air and everything. Like, as you can see, there's like air, but it's like over mixed and stuff. So they're still like nice and fluffy and everything. So let me just try them without anything on them, and I'm just gonna bite over this side. This is actually a very nice pancake. It's not too sweet, it is just right, and it is still so fluffy. I'm not quite sure what I did wrong, but it is still super fluffy on the inside. I don't know if you can see that or anything like that, but it is still so soft and fluffy. Like the other ones are also soft and fluffy, but there's just something about this just like a little bit more airy, and probably the beaten eggs. And it's just, you know what, even though it was a flop, her recipe is really good. I don't like, I wanted it to look like those ones, but probably over mixed. And then with the lemon curd, listen, wow, okay, listen, see, I've given you a recipe for pancakes, but if you mess up a pancake like I did, and then you come up to this, these are amazing. You know what, she did good. These are amazing. They're not too sweet, they're fluffy. The color came off nicely, which sometimes, you know, you bend those things. I don't know if it was just my luck this time, but the color is amazing. It's nice and fluffy, it's cooked all the way through. Yeah, I definitely recommend this recipe, and I will leave the quantities I was using in here, and I'll also leave her link to the actual video that she did. And maybe you can do them better than I did. Which I'm pretty sure you can. But also, I think another thing was she used plain flour and I used cake flour with like 1 more teaspoon of like, I think I used half a teaspoon. No, you know what, I think I might have messed up the quantities because I used cake flour, and then I used and then I used cold eggs. I don't know if that actually was part of it, and I overmixed, so I kind of did too much. And I used brown sugar because I think she was using white sugar and I used brown sugar. Yeah, so I changed up the recipe, but all in all, her recipe is amazing. And let me not lie, I would use this, still overbeat it and do everything just to get these pancakes as they are, without it looking as beautiful as the Japanese style pancakes, which I will show as I'm talking. I think in the first part of the video I should have shown them and who the person was and how beautiful they looked. But child, this is it. This slaps. This is wow. Yeah, but anyway, this slaps. This is good. You should try it. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the exact ingredients I used to get here, even though it was a flop. still tastes amazing for what it was going to be. But I'm gonna leave those ingredients down below, and I'm also going to leave her video down below as well, like her channel. And the lemon curd, I'm gonna leave you where I got the recipe for the lemon curd, which was Cupcake Jenna's recipe. I'm gonna leave you the link to that. And if you want me to show you how to make the lemon curd, please comment down below and I'll definitely show you how I did it, and if there's anything else I substituted in it. But pretty much it's like Cupcake Jenna's one, and I think it's pretty simple to follow. But if you do want me to show you when I'm doing it, I can definitely show you that. And guys, we've come to the end of the video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you actually enjoyed this, and until next time, bye.